How to make money from home online. If you're looking for ways to make money from home, there are a variety of options available to you. You can find a job online, sell products online, or do something you love and make money from it. There are many opportunities available, so it's important to do your research and find the one that's right for you. Below, I have given 10 best ideas you can make money online. Do some detailed research on YouTube and Google and see which one works best for you. 1. Find freelancing employment online. 2. Earn money by taking surveys. 3. Create an affiliate blog and earn money from it. 4. Complete tasks on Amazon Mechanical Turk to earn money. 5. On Etsy, sell your digital goods. 6. Earn money from advertising revenue on your blog. 7. Start creating videos for YouTube and join the partner program. 8. Grow your Twitch channel and monetize. 9. Offer your photos for sale. 10. Become a seller on Fiverr by selling your skills.